Real trades by real people using the HVAs that only we call out the night before.
Target Trading Academy.
When two or more students take the same entry, it will only count as one win or loss toward our total. All trending entries, gap fills, breakouts, unless originating against one of those levels called out in the newsletter, will not be counted as wins. All losses count. If I do not identify something as live real money, please assume it is sim. If I do not say so, let's get to the client confirmations proof of method.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel here today, filling in for Pat with today's win-loss break-even video. Right here we have what we call the proof in the pudding. This was the HVAs drawn for today. They were posted yesterday, 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, for our students to be able to download and put onto their respective charts. With that said, let's get right into it. First and foremost, Russell with his NASDAQ in the overnight long, up 575 on Sim. Joe, same entry, up 760. That would be Joe D. Russell R with that same entry, up 345 on Sim. Todd with a gold entry, up 450 on Sim. Rusty with the loss, just going at that entry just one too many times at the well, down 280 on Sim in gold. Stephen G up 250 with this long in the overnight in NASDAQ. Different entry than what we just saw prior from the other NASDAQ entries. And this was on Sim. Bill with a ES short, up 400 on Sim. Raul taking an advanced gold short entry, up 290 on Sim. Chris L, same advanced gold entry, up 120 on Sim. Brent, live real money break-even entry for the most part, micro gold on Sim. Glenn with his oil short winner, up 510 on Sim. Graham, same oil short winner, up 170 on Sim. Brian S, up 320 on Sim with that same oil entry short. John H, up 250 on Sim with that same oil short. John R, NASDAQ short, up 895 for the day on Sim. Charlie, NASDAQ short, same one, up 285 on Sim. Brent, lost live micro NASDAQ, down $50, live real money. Morgan, same loss. She's down 68.50 live real money. And this is in the micro NASDAQ. Francis, loss live real money micro Dow. Then making a comeback in the micro ES. Winner only down $7 live real money for the day. Roman, live $11.50 real money micro Dow. Charlie E, up 462.50 Dow on Sim. Lee G, first loss that we had already seen. And then a winner for a total of 475, pretty much break even for the day. Live real money. Seth A, up 480 on Sim with this ES long. David C, up 600 with this NASDAQ long winner. And that's on Sim. Charlie E, up 462.50 ES long winner on Sim. Charles D, up 500 on Sim with oil winner long. Russell B, Dow short winner, up 690 for the day on Sim. Roman going again, now up $30 live. Same edge, different entry. $30 live, real money, micro Dow. Ken up 87.50, micro NASDAQ winner long. Brian S, short ES, down 62.50 on Sim. Sandra S, down 225, same entry that we saw with Brian on Sim. Brenda, trending advanced entry in oil long up 370 on sim. This doesn't count towards our wins, but if it was a loss, we would most certainly count it as a loss. Michael F, up 590 on sim with this NASDAQ long. Sean, up 280 for the day with this NASDAQ long, same entry we just saw. Dan A, up 405 with that same NASDAQ entry long on sim. John R, now up $1,195 for the day with this NASDAQ long on sim. Sandra, up 830 in the NASDAQ on sim with this same NASDAQ entry we just saw. Ken, now up 152.50 on sim with his micro NASDAQ entry long. Bob, same NASDAQ entry, up 285 on sim. Russell B, now up 835 with his same NASDAQ entry on sim. Michael F, up 600 live real money on sim. Jason S, up $28 live real money micro Dow trending entry. Does not count towards our wins. If it was a loss, we'd most certainly count it. Steven B, up 412.50 NASDAQ long winner on sim. Bobby ES 175 long winner on sim. Got a bunch of entries from John C that he sent in this morning after staying up late trading. So these entries are going to be from the evening. This is a micro NASDAQ winner up 118 on sim. Another micro NASDAQ now up 166 on sim from John. Another micro NASDAQ. This is a potential trending entry long. We don't count it towards our wins, but now up 214 on sim. If it was a loss, we would count it towards our losses. And finally, a break-even entry micro gold from John C, finishing the day at 216 in the micros on sim. Sandra, now only down 100 from prior ES entry with this winner long from the ES. Russell R, up 535 on sim with his NASDAQ short winner. James T, sending in that same entry, up 365 with his NASDAQ short winner on sim. With that, that is our win-loss break-even video for the day. That is 23 wins, 3 losses, and 2 break-even trades for our trading endeavors from last night through the pit today. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and or how to trade futures markets with our methodology taught live in our rooms each day that the markets are open, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co to get in touch with a representative at either location. Once you get a hold of them or talk with them, they'll be able to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.